class, but when you hover over some element, what can be done and all, we'll be doing that today. Okay, so I'm just quickly opening this web lab. If you've not been watching my previous videos yet, please do go back to my channel and do watch them. Okay, for understanding better and what exactly you are discussing about. So you'll be understanding when you're watching the previous videos in sequence, right? Also, do watch every video like with the playlist, right? So that you have a better understanding and idea of what exactly you have started off. Okay, and this is a web development and web lab project we have created here. Okay, now starting off with creating a button, I'm just creating a button. So we can create button using anything. So I'm just creating a submit button today. Okay, or I'll just say type button, right? And then let's just give the value also. So I'll just say value as register. Okay, so I'm just creating this button without any style now, right? Let's go to CSS and style it. Okay, so to style this input tag, you can just say input. If you want to specify the type, you can also do that using type equal to button. Okay, for the button thing, we are doing it, right? So let's suppose I want to give a background color. Okay, so let's start off giving the background color. I'm just giving aqua, and then you can also give the color, the text color if you want to. Okay, I think I'll let this be black because this looks good, right? But you can see that the button is very small and it seems to be so congested, right? So we can also give paddings. Okay, so let's give padding. I think I'll give it specifically, I just say padding left 10 pixels. Okay, and then padding right 10 pixels. Okay, then padding top and left also you can actually specifically give that, right? So padding top 5 pixels and padding bottom 5 pixels. Okay, so this is cool. Now it doesn't really look so congested, right? And then if you want, you can give font size also. Font size, let's say 20 pixels. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah. And you can also see there's a border around my button. If you really don't want that border, you can just say border and zero. Oh, sorry, none. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't really have the border now, but definitely you can give border radius actually, right? So border radius, if I say 5 pixels, I think, yeah, this looks cool, good, right? So if you want, you can style this by giving font family also. So font hyphen family, let's write cursive. Okay. Yes. So likewise, you can actually style this in any way possible. Okay. Now we actually will get into the actual thing, which is hover, right? So let's see how to write the hover thing and then we'll style this. So seeing hover, you can actually write it this way. So if I just say input type equal to button, and the pseudo classes are written with a colon, and then you can just write hover. Okay, so this is how it is. Now let's suppose when I hover over it, nothing happens, right? So I'll just first give cursor. It has to actually detect the cursor, right? So and the cursor is basically the pointer, so that's why. So when I hover over it, now something should happen. To do that, let's write background color. I'll just change the background color. So background color to aquamarine. Let's check this. So when I hover over it, you can see the color change now. See, this is how the hover property works. Hover means like when you're taking your mouse over some element, that is called as hovering, that hovering effect basically. Okay. So mouse over, you can also call it as mouse over. Okay. So This is how the hovering effect works like, right? We'll discuss more about this in our next videos also. Okay. So yeah, this is all about our today's session. Bye bye guys, and meet you all in the next session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Okay. Bye bye and meet you again. Thank you so much for watching.